कम्प्लिटेशन ऑफ प्रमोद सावंत
जाले 2 वर्सां कंप्लीट ताजे कितें केलां तुमी सांगपा जाय. आय थिंक मिडिया शूड टॉक अबाउट वॉट डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत हॅज डन फॉर द लास्ट 2 years. म्हादय विकली, मोलें विकलें, कोळसो हाडपाक वता. So basically 2 years of completion has only been a tribute to his bosses in the center to please them and ensure that his seat is proper. I don't think the Pramod Sawant government has done anything for the state. Everybody knows what the status is. I would less comment. I would only wish him की उरला ते वर्स तरी आमचे मातशे म्हादय सांबाळुया, मोलें सांबाळुया, जे कितें उरलां आमचे CRZ खातीर जे तुमी परत परत पोर्ट लिमिट्स नाका आशिल्ले घेवन येतात ते सांबाळुया. सगळें सांबाळून गोंय सांबाळपाची तरी प्लेज घेवया इतलेंच ताचे कडेन मागता.
Like Reginald has said that the time has come for all MLAs to go at the site now for inspection and all. Are you ready to do that?
Question is not only going to site. I think a very strong decision needs to be taken from the whole people. 40 people taking resolutions, going to center, coming back, going to center, coming back. What has happened? End of the day, the chief minister is doing what he wants. So आमकां थंय व्हरता, ती याद करता, परत येता आनी थंयच्यान मागीर फोन मारता आसतलो सांगपाक की बेडा हाडलें हांकां तूं जाय तें कर म्हणून. ज्या तरेन म्हादय चल्ल्या, मोल्या चल्ला, CRZ चल्ला, सगळ्यात पळय तूं कितें चल्लां तें. वॉट इज हॅपनिंग इन द इंट्रस्ट ऑफ द स्टेट. So 2 years of governance, we should salute the Pramod Sawant for having sold Goa to the center in these 2 years, allowing the center to do what they want for their own whims and fancies. So Goa is being used for center's equation, not for Goa आमच्या राखपाक by this Pramod Sawant government.